Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have been gone for so long, but I'm back and we better, baby, because makeup game is better. So yeah, this is another makeup video and I'll be showing you guys how to achieve this look with drugstore products only. So I hope you enjoy. We're gonna start with some skin prep. I use the Derma Opal SPF 30. Moisturizes my face pretty well. Now my face is moisturized. I'm gonna go in with my primer. I use this Essence Fix It primer. So now that my face is prepped, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I have learned this trick and I'm not going back, because who draws eyebrows anymore? I know I don't. So this is what I do for my eyebrows. New techniques. And it works, it really works. I'm using the best mascara, the Sky High mascara. And now I'm gonna shape my eyebrows. I'm gonna use the side of the brush and just start from the edge. We're going for like straight-ish eyebrows because those 2015 eyebrow shapes are not really a thing anymore, or at least for me. So this is what I do, just straight. And then let me do the other side. This is good enough. Now I'm just gonna buff it down a little just to bring some of that product in and make sure that, you know, it's not like a thick line of concealer on my eyebrow. After defining, just going in with my little brush just to blend it out a little. So on top, I'm gonna use my foundation shade plus the concealer, just so that it doesn't look crazy and it matches. For my foundation, I'm using this Rimmel Lasting Finish. This is actually one of the best foundation products for us black girls out here. So I'm gonna mix it with some of the concealer that's on my hand for my eyebrows, right? And I'm just gonna go in with it on the top of my brow. Okay, the eyebrows are all done. As you guys can see, I am two-toned, so it is hard for me to find a foundation shade that actually looks good on me. So what I do is I take this foundation and I mix it with my concealer. So I mix it with the lightest concealer, and that is the Maybelline Fit Me Color 40 concealer. We are not using any sponges today. No sponges. Just gonna put some darker concealer under my eye, and that is color 45 Maybelline Fit Me. I will use a sponge for that. Now I go in with my mixture of concealer and foundation, and that will be my base, of course. I like as minimal foundation as possible. I'll be using my Essence Makeup Buff Brush to buff this out. So I'm making tapping motions over just tap, tap, tap. And I'm just gonna tap on my forehead as well. It's 2024. Stop putting some foundation on your forehead. You look weird. Put foundation on your forehead. But definitely get the nose, get the nitty gritties. Just get in there. And tap. Not this. Tap. For contouring, I use LA Girl Pro Dark Concealer. I'll check the color just now, and just a bit there, just a bit there. Definitely some going inwards, and just to give the nose a bit of a, you know, sharp effect. A brush to buff it out. Can you see I'm buffing it towards my hairline? Towards the hairline. Yes, I can see that cast there. We are just adding, I guess, definition to the face. I don't know. But yeah, I like using this to buff it out. And just yeah. Okay, so now I'm done buffing out the contour. So now I'm gonna use my Essence blush. If you were real one, your blush looks like this. If you were real one, your blush looks like this. Be for real. Be effing for real. I blend it upward and towards my under eye, upward towards my under eye, upward. You think it's too much when you put it on, or when you take pictures, like, where's my blush? So now I'm going to go in with my concealer, and it's Maybelline Fit Me color 40. See, under my eye, and a little bit there. Just okay. Don't be shy with that concealer. Don't be shy with that concealer. It really, like that look that I'm going for will not be achieved with minimal makeup, and we're not doing a minimal makeup look, right? Yeah. Remember I said no brushes, I mean no sponges. Yeah, blending it with this baby. Blend. Calm down here. Can you see the blush that I put on is already being, you know, yeah. And we do the other side and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, but do you guys see this? Are you guys witnessing this? Are you witnessing this? I left and I came back with makeup skills. I'm just gonna use this tool that I used for contouring just to buff out the edges, just to make sure that it's not, you know, crazy looking. And now I need to set the concealer. So what I use to set the concealer is it's like LA Girl loose powder. I don't like it because it's white, but my Maybelline, I ran out of the of color loose powder. So this is what we're gonna use for now. This is the powder we're using, right? So the trick I have learned, because I can never use this thing, it causes like really patchy flashbacks, but you just take some of it and then you just tap it on the back of your hand just for even distribution. Just set the summer, baby. It's summer, so you can't afford to not set the concealer. Cannot afford to do that. Then I'm just gonna buff it out with this. Buff out. Now if you are brown girl, you know, we said twice, my nigga. We said twice. Alright, so I'm gonna use this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder. We're using natural lighting, babies. And I'm gonna use this sponge that may or may not have been washed in a while. And I'm gonna take under my eye. Anyone creating with an iPhone can attest to the fact that this storage space thing, anyways, my iPhone gave me that storage space thing while I was recording, but I basically put this matte powder under my eye, sort of using it as contour, and then I'm gonna buff it out. Put it on for a while, buffing it out. Just buff, 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 buff. Now we go in with the Fit Me setting spray matte poreless. Am I the only one who, like, when you set your face, like, it feels like okay, it's enough, but then it also feels like I don't think I covered the spot though, so like you just keep spraying? I don't believe in drenching my face with setting spray, but it just happens, you know. So now I'm gonna go in with the Sky High mascara just to show you guys the effects of it, just to show you guys, because I have little to no eyelashes, right? And just boom, boom. Bam. Like, I like this. So let me do the other let me do the other eye and I'll be back with the finished look. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. For me, I'd say it's giving black girl makeup, 2024 black girl makeup aesthetic. And it's not giving too much, it's giving just enough. Comment down below if you're gonna try this look or if you would try this again. This was all drugstore, baby, all drugstore. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it.